In this video, we're going to take a look at how you can customize to show or hide App Store in Siri and Search on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on Settings. Next, in Settings, scroll down and then tap on App Store. Next, tap on Siri and Search. Now from here, you can turn on or turn off Learn from this app. And for searching, you can choose to show or hide the app in Search. And below that, you can choose to show or hide the app content in Search by tapping on the toggle button on or off. And lastly, you can also choose to show the app's suggestions on the home screen, in app, and in notifications. And so in here, you'll be able to customize suggestions for the app in Siri and Search. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.